Hey Bashir, I've got a couple of speed questions to ask you. AI skills to learn.
So yeah, so if you know already how to do API integration, so it's easy for you to do things like OpenAI API integrations. You can do cloud integration, DeepSeek integrations. So that way is going to help you to learn to do a lot of stuff with AI, just integrations, because you already know how to do API integration. You see, so instead of going straight to learn like those LLMs and all those stuff, so that is a nice transition. You see, to learn all the stuff, how to do those integrations.
Custom integration or HubSpot CMS.
Yeah. So, so between integrations, custom integration and HubSpot CMS. So, the CMS, first of all, let's for instance, you're a developer, and then you're wondering, can I do directly integrations or can I do CMS? So, yeah, integration is great, and then it can seem easy the moment you know how to do it. You see, but the point is that with CMS, with HTML and CSS, JavaScript, that's when you're gonna always fix stuff, a lot of bugs to fix and stuff like that to see. So you're gonna always have the things of searching for the bugs. But internet integration is just difficult in the beginning. The moment you know integration is easy. So yeah, so CMS can seems easy, but there's a lot of work. Integration can seem difficult, you see, but the moment you know it, it starts to become easier than even CMS.
Hmm. HubSpot or Salesforce.
Yeah, so I don't use that much Salesforce, but with Salesforce, I did have like few clients with Salesforce. The point is I don't like that much the user interface because there is a lot of things that's happening in Salesforce. So I love HubSpot because of the graphic user interface is very nice. You see, so the UI is very nice. It's easy to use. You see, and so that is yeah. So they make their stuff so that it must be easy for like clients. You see, to navigate through pages, through different kind of item. You see, so yeah, that's where Absolute is really great. With Salesforce, there's a lot of things, so it's like a lot of features, a lot of functionalities, and can become like confusing with customers. So yeah, I'm gonna go for HubSpot.
Of course. What is the easiest way to learn HubSpot workflow?
Yeah, so the easiest way to learn HubSpot workflow is so the nice things HubSpot does provide templates, workflow templates. So if you just want to know, you just go and test each template that HubSpot is providing is like more or less like 20. So from there, you can just open and see the way that HubSpot did it. You see, from there, you're going to understand, oh, okay, this trigger works like this, how to create the task, how to send internal message, how to send message to the client after a certain trigger. You see webhooks and all the stuff. So HubSpot does provide those things using the templates. So that is the like way easier way of learning workflow quickly in HubSpot.
Can you also build a web app in HubSpot?
Yeah, so in HubSpot you can build a web app. So HubSpot has a CRM development kind of like project where you can upload you can push your project inside HubSpot. HubSpot I also have serverless functions. So that's one you can build your like your modules, your React stuff, so your React applications, and any things you need with Node.js, so you can be able to build that app inside HubSpot.